Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the continuation of logic gates, today we will understand about the NOT gate. Here you can see the symbol of NOT gate. This is the symbol of NOT gate. So basically NOT gate is having one input signal and one output signal. That means it is single input signal. It is having single input signal and single output signal. So basically the output of NOT gate is logical inversion of input signal. Okay, so you can see if X is the input signal and Z is the output signal, so Z equals to X complement, right? X bar. So basically the output of NOT gate is logical inversion. It is also called inverter. Okay, NOT gate is also called inverter. If you look the truth table of NOT gate, so you can see here if X is input and Z is output, so if X is 0, Z is 1, and if X is 1, Z is 0. That means if the input is low, the output is high. If the input is high, the output is low. So this is most commonly used IC in for the NOT gate. So you can find 7404 series. This is having, you can see, this is having six, I think, one, two, three, four, five, six NOT gate chip integrated together, and the pin number 14 is VCC and pin number 7 is ground. So hope you understand the basics of NOT gate. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.